So hello friends, I welcome you all in my video number 5 of Fundamentals of Financial Management. Those who have not attended our earlier videos, I request all of you go through all the 4 videos and then come to this video number 5. So classification of finance function, executive finance functions and incidental finance functions. Executive finance functions, financial planning that we have studied in detail in our earlier videos, to determine the asset management policy, to determine the requirement and sources of finance. Now here, requirement and sources. When we talk about requirement and sources, we take into consideration our short-term and long-term requirements. So the same sources cannot be applied for short-term and long-term requirements of finance. Negotiations for obtaining funds, distribution of net profit, estimating and controlling cash flow, controlling financial performance. Incidental finance functions, supervision of cash receipts, cash disbursements, to keep records of cash, to tally cash and bank balances with the help of obviously reconciliation statement, with the help of bank reconciliation statements. Supervision of bills, we are talking about bills receivables and bills payables. Safeguarding valuable papers, there are various important papers. For example, there can be papers of various investments. So these papers are to be protected, are to be safeguarded by a finance manager. Insurance policies that we already talked about. Filing, now this is also an important task of finance manager. The important documents are kept in file and this task is being done on regular basis. So filing is also important, to prepare reports and to submit it to management for taking various financial decisions. Interrelationship between finance function and other functional areas of management. Now which are other functional areas of management? You have studied production management in semester 4, so there is a production function. You have studied marketing management in semester 2, there is marketing function. There is difference between human resource management and personal management, but for the purpose of study we can relate this thing. So you have studied human resource management in semester 1. This is something which is connected with that. So these are the important functional areas of management, and finance function is connected with all these functional areas of management. When we talk about production management, the concept of working capital and inventory management play important role. Marketing function, there is always need of finance for marketing. There are various policies like pricing policy, advertising policy. For doing the activities of marketing there is need of finance. So for payment of wages, for payment of salary, for payment of bonus, finance is required. And in this way the finance department of any company is interrelated with all these other functional areas of management. Objectives of financial management. Number 1 is profit maximization approach and wealth, or you can say net worth maximization approach. Limitations of profit maximization objective. So the concept of profit is vague. Now the concept of profit is itself is not clear. The concept of profit is not clear. When we talk about profit, Which profit we are talking about? Are we talking about gross profit? Are we talking about net profit? So the profit itself is subjective matter. Different people have different interpretation of profit. Profit after tax, profit before tax. So which profit we are talking about? It ignores time value of money. It ignores the risk also. Now advantages of wealth, or you can say net worth maximization objective. As this wealth maximization objective considers cash flow and not the profit, it is clear. So the first point over here is clarity. Why there is clarity? Because the concept has been using cash flow and not the profit. It considers time value of money and it considers risk element for evaluation. This is the end of our chapter number 1, fundamentals of financial management. We are going to discuss other topics in our upcoming videos. I request all of you to subscribe our channel and share our videos.